Look at the clear water. Now that's clear. Super clear. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Super. Part of the Gigantes Islands. That's a small one. We're on our way next to the sandbar. The famous sandbar. Dahil pang white sand, sabi you? White sand beaches, there's a lot. That's it. So next one. Okay, we're now approaching Bantigue Island, the sandbar. Ayan ba? Pag it's full, okay pala? Yeah. Pag naubos. Baliktad yung akala ko. Ay, lubog na. Oh no, the sandbar is gone. Yeah. Oh, that's perfect. Walang tao dun. We made a mistake. I was about to say. It's okay, we have a sandbar in the resort. Okay, the sandbar is gone. Yeah, Manuyod. But still nice, look, a small island. Small island. Here, that's Raj. He is looking at the sandbar. It snakes to the ocean, but it's high tide, so no sandbar.
It's a nice sand.
Oh my, to walk that.
From the sand.
I know. Maganda pa rin, no? It's a tiny island. Ganda talaga nung isa dun, yung selfie point, ha?
It's getting high tide.
Yeah.
Sand is not sand anymore.
The sandbar. This is
Another tail. We're super now.
the sandbar. Is lubog. Our boat. The princess.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Headed to Antonia.
There's snorkeling here.
Yeah, snorkel area and lunch area. This is the third island we're going to today. So the first one a while ago was the Selfie Point, the Bugao, and then the Bantigue is the sandbar, where the sandbar disappeared. And this one is Antonia for lunch and snorkeling. And one more after this, Tanke Island. Almost there. Enjoying?
Yeah.
Zaco Island?
In Siargao. The
Zaco.
little island.
Yeah.
Zaco.
Looks like it.
Oo. Because it's got land.
Ganda. So nice.
This is like the style of it.
Saan ang kainan natin dyan?
The head, diba? The destination head. With spice. Then it's got like a green.
Yep. Look at this island. It's crystal kayak. It's a beautiful.
Kung ganon.
You know what to do, Dada. You know what to
Dito
do.
lang. Dyan lang pwede.
It's beautiful here. Maybe I will drone too.
You know what to do, Dada.
Ma'am, Simon?
There's a monkey. Can you see the monkey?
Again!
Oh, it's, goodbye monkey.
Domesticated na yan.
Baka kumain niya sa atin. Dito tayo.
Nice.
Lunchtime is here. And look at the ocean. It's all ocean. I can't get enough of this. Antonia Island, where we have lunch. And then swim, snorkel over there and kayak somewhere. So this is good. This is all good. The food, steamed scallops, fishy, and then baked scallops, grilled burger. Yummy, yummy food in this island haven. And a dude there is reflecting on a broken heart. A love that was lost. Okay, this is the calmest water we've seen so far. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Plus, I had the best lunch ever with a gazillion scallops.
That was literally your meal.
Ganda ng water, ang calm, it's so flat. And look how clear. Look how clear that is. Wow. Wow. I am speechless. no more stormy waves. Yeah, the calm, oh. That's how it should be. The weather has improved. Look how calm that is. No waves, guys. Yeah. Diba?
Yeah.
Ganda. It's so peaceful. Flat ocean. Look, it's so flat. No waves at all. Yeah. That's the Sandbar Island. We're on our way to the lagoon. Tanke Lagoon. I think we're entering it. Baka yan na yun. Naka-hour pa ikot. There siguro. There, there's an opening. So now we're approaching it. Here may bangka na eh. Yan na. The lagoon. Time for the lagoon. Daming boats eh. There you are. May stairs here. You see it? Okay, we have to line up. The lagoon. Ito na pala yun ah. Ito na. Babaw lang pala.
Babaw na po. Tutuhod lang.
Hindi pala siya lagoon, ano? Batis lang, ano? Left the small lagoon. Only ratchet now and down. Yeah. Adventures. My niece couldn't take it. 1 hour back to the hotel. Wow.
Was it worth it?
Super. At least the water is calmer going back.